Hello everyone, recipe for mango chunda. Chunda is a popular Indian pickle made with raw mangoes, spices and oil. Here's a simple recipe to make chunda at home. Ingredients: 2 medium-sized raw mangoes, peeled and grated. 1 cup mustard seeds. 10 to 12 dried red chilies. 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon asafoetida, that is hing. Salt to taste. 1/4 cup sesame oil or any other cooking oil. Instructions. Number 1. Prepare the mangoes. Wash the raw mangoes thoroughly and peel them. Grate the mangoes using a grater and set aside. Number 2. Prepare the spices. Heat a pan over medium heat and dry roast mustard seeds, dried red chilies and fenugreek seeds until fragrant. Make sure not to burn them. Once roasted, allow the spices to cool down. Grind the roasted spices into a fine powder using a spice grinder or mortar and pestle. Number 3. Mixing. In a large mixing bowl, combine the grated mangoes with the ground spice mixture, turmeric powder, asafoetida and salt. Mix well until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Number 4. Tempering. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the mango spice mixture to the pan. Stir well to combine and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Number 5. Cooling and storing. Once cooked, remove the pan from the heat and let the chunda cool down to room temperature. Transfer the chunda to clean, dry jars and store them in a cool, dry place. Allow the flavors to meld for at least 24 hours before consuming. Chunda can be stored in the refrigerator for several weeks. Number 6. Serving. Enjoy your homemade chunda as a condiment with rice, roti, dosa or any other Indian meal. Adjust the spice level according to your preference. You can also add a little sugar if you prefer a sweeter taste in your pickle. Thank you.